Hello everyone, let's solve this problem. Remove duplicates from sorted array. Given an integer array name is sorted in non-decreasing order, remove the duplicates in place such that each unique element appears only once. The relative order of the element should be kept the same. Then return the number of unique elements in names. Consider the number of unique elements of names to be k. To get accepted, you need to do the following things. Change the array names such that the first k elements of names contain the unique elements in the order they were present in names initially. The remaining elements of names are not important as well as the size of names. Return k. So custom challenge judge is gonna be the judge will test your solution with the following code, right? So the expected answer is correct length, and it's gonna okay. So we have nums array, the input and the expected nums. Just we're gonna have this array of expected nums with correct length and k, and remove the duplicate nums, and we're gonna have a k. So if the k and the expected length is the same, so it's gonna um, so it asserts all of the numbers in the expected array and the nums array, right? So to this k, right? So it reads over 2k and it asserts all of the numbers, right? If the numbers in our result and the numbers in the expected array are just the same, right? So if the assertion pass, then your solution is gonna be accepted, right? So how do we solve this problem, right? How do we come up with an optimal solution to solve this problem? So one thing we can do is to solve this problem. So we can use pointers. Like we can use, for example, we can start from, let's say we have two pointers, the left and the right. Let's say this the right starts from this position, right? So we will compare these values, right? If they are different, we will for the next of the left is gonna be the one which is different, right? Let's say for example, let's say we have one, right? But one in these two numbers are the same, right? We will move our right to this position, right? And now two and one are different, right? Then we will move the left to this position, and we will assign these two, right? It's gonna be two, right? And we will move our left to this position, and the right will be gonna be at the end, and we're gonna return left plus one, right? Gonna be like, because we need left is at index zero, right? So we need to remove because zero indexed, we have to return slope left plus one, because the left is gonna be the one which is the one which is the left pointer is gonna have is at one for this case, and but we have to return two, right? Because we have two elements. That's because we have to add one to the pointer, because it is zero indexed. So we can solve this problem this way, and the time complexity is gonna be before moving time complexity is gonna be the time complexity of n time complexity would pass. So I'm going to solve this problem this way. So what I'm going to do is, first I'm gonna have two pointers, right? The left and the right, right? And let's say the right pointer is gonna be it's gonna start from one. Let's say we start from one. Okay, then it says at least we have how many elements? At least we have one element minimum, right? So we iterate over if least okay, I can say like I can use for loop, right? If right in range of the length of the nums array, and it's gonna be nums, so it's gonna be start from one to n, right? Then and what if nums at from the left is different from nums from the right? I mean, from the one which is the right of the left, and what then the left is gonna be we add one position, we move it to the right one position, then we will make the assignment, right? Then names from the left is gonna be names from the right. We are assigning this, and we will move to. Then once we're done, we can say like we can say return left plus one, because since it's zero indexed, right? So let's see if it works for the given test case, all right? And I said it, if I said like it's the time compass is open and the space is off on, right? So let's submit this one and see if it works for all of the test cases, right? So as you can see, it passed for the all of the test cases. So thank you very much, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe, and because it helps me a lot.